Hello, my name's Rebecca, and this is Your Bourbon Journey. Welcome to episode 46 of Thirsty Thursday Cocktails. I'm so glad you have joined this evening as we wrap up our fall cocktail series. Tonight is the Mole Harvest Cocktail. Let's talk about the ingredients we'll be using tonight. For our bourbon, we're using the Knob Creek Single Barrel 120 proof. I wanted something that was going to stand up nice and strong to all the flavors that we'll be putting together. For our sweetener, the Demerara syrup will bring a warm, luscious, almost molasses and brown sugar feeling to this cocktail. But tonight, the bitters are the star of the show. We will be using 3 bitters, and it's easy to remember, a 3-2-1 ratio. So to start with, the Mole bitters. I don't know if you've ever had Mexican mole, but that is what the Mole bitters remind me of. Deep, dark, chocolate goodness with warming spices in the background. To complement the chocolate, we'll be using the Aztec Chocolate bitters that bring even more of those fabulous dark chocolate flavors. To ensure we brighten it up just a note, we will also be using a quick dash of orange bitters. Let's get started making this cocktail right now so we can start enjoying it. We will start with our Knob Creek Single Barrel 120 proof, and we are going to use a full 2 ounces. And this is almost going to finish this bottle off. Then with our Demerara syrup, about 1/4 ounce will be just perfect to bring some sweetening notes and to ensure we have some brown sugar, and Knob Creek's got a lot of brown sugar on it, so together it's going to be amazing. Mole bitters. Again, this is our star, and we're going to use 3 full dashes. I love the aroma of the Mole bitters. The Aztec Chocolate bitters, 2 dashes. It's going to really help us with our chocolate flavor notes. And finally, the orange bitter, 1 dash, just to ensure we have a little bit of a brightening note that will lift those other flavors up. I will give this a quick stir before adding the ice. I like to ensure that I give the Demerara syrup an opportunity to really dissolve well and mix with those bitters and the bourbon. Looks perfect. We will now fill our mixing glass with ice. And stir for 20 to 30 seconds to ensure it's chilled and a little bit diluted. I do have a ball of ice, which is great for old fashions. I didn't want it to possibly start melting into our old fashioned glass for tonight, so I put it aside to ensure we had a really fresh pour. And now we're just going to simply strain this mixture into our old fashioned glass right over that nice ball of ice. So you can see it's simple as 1, 2, 3. We do not need any garnish. It's perfect the way it is. Oh, it just smells like we've walked into the Thanksgiving room where all the pies are, and we've got a deep chocolate pie and a pumpkin pie and all these amazing warming spices. Someone has that candle burning in the side that just makes you feel like, yes, it is fall, and we are very thankful. Let's taste this. Cheers. I just love this cocktail. It does feel like this Mole Harvest, and it fits Thanksgiving perfectly. I love the notes that this Knob Creek Single Barrel, it stands up very strong with this, but the ice helped to dilute it a bit so you're not getting hit in the face with that 120 proof. Demerara syrup, absolutely the way to go. Or you could possibly substitute a maple syrup. I think that would be lovely as well. These bitters, again, in addition to the bourbon, are the real star of the show because they're bringing that flavor profile to make you feel like it is the fall harvest. On this Thanksgiving evening, I am thankful for all of you being here with me tonight. I ask that you always drink responsibly and that tonight especially, you give thanks for all the wonderful people that are in your life. Perhaps you can share the Mole Harvest cocktail with them tonight as well. Cheers.